It's hard to believe sometimes that something which is in your pocket can be as powerful as, I'm not saying total station, but as powerful as many conventional surveying tools. As powerful meaning as accurate. But more importantly, where I think the industry should go is, not the industry, where PIX4D should go is bringing geomatics world closer to consumers.
Mm-hmm.
Why I'm thinking like this is because I'm not from this industry, but I see the technology is fascinating. And the real challenge is how to bring the complexity of this technology into the hands of an everyday user. And this is in a way what we're doing with the PIX4D Catch again, because sometimes the user is a guy who is doing trenches, has no clue what is photogrammetry or 3D modeling or reality capture. It's like no clue, and we need to make a product which anybody can understand how to use. So that's the path forward, which we're thinking about. I cannot say we are Gaussian splitting, but yeah. So it's, as I said, so PIX4D is a scientific company. When I joined the company, I was flabbergasted by the amount of knowledge and the brain power of the R&D team. So that helps us to do it right. Because Gaussian splitting, it's like, it's becoming like a buzzword, like AI. So yes. Gaussian splitting, it's everywhere.
Therefore, we have to ask you about it.
Yeah, absolutely. No, I'm happy to comment. Now, where we see ourselves is we don't want Gaussian splitting for visualization only. Of course, it gives fantastic results. We're quite different in tackling this problem. And frankly, probably again the pioneer in this field, because we can process faster and it's increasing over time as we kind of continue developing our own algorithms. We generate Gaussian splitting, then point clouds and mesh out of it. So Gaussian splitting visualization is also improving mesh afterwards. And we have also fantastic, the viewer, 3D viewer. That's actually, nobody thinks about it, but it's a bloody hard thing to tackle. Huh?
Well,
how can you visualize large objects, not losing the level of detail, and making sure that you can actually, see small things on a large object? Speaking about visualization, for me, this is not the only thing, as I mentioned, which we want to bring. We want to bring visualization, but without any compromise on accuracy.